How to delete or close your ChatGPT account. If you want to delete or close your ChatGPT account, it is very simple for us to do so. What we do is we simply open up our browser and then we go to chatgpt.com. Then we simply make sure to log into the account that we want to delete. After we do that, what we do is click on the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then from there, you want to go to the option called settings. Then when you click on settings, this is the option that you will see. So you can go to the option called data controls or data controls, however you pronounce it. And from here, you can go to delete account. So click on the delete button right there, and you can follow a little bit of instructions from there on, and you'll be able to delete your ChatGPT account. This way you can go ahead and then delete your ChatGPT account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.